Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review tonight, or this morning. Just got off work. I'm ready. It's almost 1 a.m. Alright, finally. We have one here from Eel River Brewing Company. And this one is called Hazy by Nature Galaxy IPA. It's a series. It says a juicy, hazy India Pale Ale made with organics. Let's see here. Water, ingredients: water, organic barley, organic oats, organic wheat, and hops. They're from it's brewed by Eel River Brewing Company, Incorporated, Scotia, California. Comes in at 6.7% alcohol by volume. It says chillin' with Sriracha, Citra, and Amarillo hops, brewed with London 3 yeast. This is really fresh. It came in, there's no date on the can, but it came in a 4-pack at Total Wine & More for like, I don't know, it was like $13 for 4 pints, and it had a little sticker on the holder. It said like, oh, it was really fresh, man. It's like less than a month old. So this is what the can looks like. I've never had this before. I've never seen it before. This is brand new. Pretty neat looking can. Eel River. I'm not sure if I've done any of their beers before. I kind of think I have. So let's get it crack open and see what we got here. I feel like I've done one of their beers before. Yeah, it looks pretty hazy coming out. Ooh, I smell hops already. Alright. That's what I like. Smelling them hops. I love hops, and hops loves me. It preserves beer. It preserves life. Huge, frothy, creamy, silky head. And we have our hazy amber color. Light, kind of orange, light orange amber. Yeah, she looked like a hazy. Oh, where'd that go? Oh, great. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Nope, nope, yep. I do that every time. Get a little more in here. Really, really pillowy head. Looks really good. Pretty darn hazy. Yep. Let me sharpen that up a little bit here. Yeah, that's got the right setting there. There we go. Let's try that again. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Pretty darn hazy. No sharpness of the light coming through that. Nope. Yeah, it's like an orangey amber. Looks good. Looks damn good. All right, let's get the rest of it in here. Got a beautiful donut on top there. Really nice looking. I don't know if you can see it. Really rocky, pillowy, soft looking head. Damn, I gotta take a picture of that puppy. Wow, that's a donut. If I've ever seen one. We have a donut. It looks just like a donut. Cool. Really nice freaking head there. Galaxy's one of my favorite hops, so I'm pretty stoked. Alright. Frothy, creamy, silky, pillowy. Let's get an aroma on this puppy. Yep. Definitely New England. Tropical hops, tangerine right up front. Grapefruit, orange. Mango, guava. A little lemon zest. Floral. Some floral hops. Some pine. Pretty much got it all. It smells really, really delicious. Let's get a hit. Cheers. Yep, that's good. Very tasty. The taste follows the aroma. Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's got a medium mouthfeel. Really nice, smooth, medium mouthfeel. Really orangey looking now. Would you look at that? Very orangey looking now. Whoops, my light. Got strobe light. All right. So yeah, very tasty. Really nice mouthfeel. Really good head retention there, and some lacing on the glass. It's pretty complex. Very nice though. So I'm gonna sip on this for a bit, and I'll be right back. Okay. Alrighty, I'm back. Been sipping on it for a little bit here. It's really tasty. Very tasty hazy we got here. I think it's New England hazy, whatever. We'll swill it one more time and we'll wrap it up, okay? Cheers. It's very good. It's not the very best I've ever had, but it's a really good New England style, I must say. I'm enjoying this. It was a fair price too. It was like 11 something before tax, so after it was all said and done, it was up towards 13 bucks. So it's pretty fair. They're being pretty fair about it. Yeah, so all the notes I picked up earlier, that's pretty much the same. It's pretty much what I got on this puppy. So on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, I'm going to give this one a 4.4. It's pretty darn good. Yeah, 4.4 it is. That's my story. I'm going to stick with that. I'll have the description of this beer at the bottom of the video in the description section. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Cheers. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my video. Stay tuned for future ones, and we'll catch you later. See ya.